If you clicked on this video, you already know how powerful AI really is, but can you use it to make money online? The short answer is yes, and in this video, I'll be showing you a few AI tools that can help you build a Shopify store from scratch. I spent hours and hours gathering the best beginner-friendly AI tools, so even those with no experience can get started. Something I almost forgot to mention, all these tools are completely free. Starting our list, we have an AI called Storebuild AI. At the top, they say they can create our online store in just 5 minutes for free. All you have to do is pick a niche, AI builds your store. They apparently also add 10 winning products, and they also teach you how to sell today. To start, just press build my free store. Here, you're just gonna input your email, and then you're gonna hit create your free account. They give you 6 different options for niches: clothing, pet care, tech, home, sports, and also need inspiration if you're confused about which option you should pick. For this example, we're gonna go with pet care. Then you can hit next. Now they give you a few options for store color, and since this is a store for pets, we want kind of more of a friendly tone to it. So let's go with this orange, and then we can hit next. This is the part where you pick a banner, and the AI has generated 4 banners for our store. Honestly, in my opinion, I think from nose to tail, we got it all. Banner style number 5 is the best because it just shows this woman enjoying the company of her pets and looking all happy, which I think every pet lover, pet owner is going to feel. So let's go down, then we can hit next and just hit claim my Shopify store. This is the part where you actually create the Shopify account. So let's go register on Shopify. Now you're gonna put the same email you used, and you're gonna hit start free trial. Just create a password for your Shopify store and hit create Shopify account. For configuring the Shopify store, all I hit is I don't want help setting up. We're gonna do this later. And which plan do you want to try? I usually just go for the cheapest one, the basic. It's only $1, so let's just hit try basic. Now I'm just gonna put my card information in. Remember guys, you're not paying $1 for the AI store builder. Whether you use the AI store builder or not, you're still gonna have to pay $1 for Shopify. There's no way of going around that. So the AI store builder is free. The Shopify trial is only $1 for the first 3 months. So let me just put in my card information right here. And then you just hit subscribe for $1. Success, you are subscribed to the basic plan. Here you just have to add your address so Shopify can actually unlock your store and actually consider you a real account. Because if you don't add your address, they think it's a fake business and they won't even let people see your store. So just make sure you add your address and just hit save business address. Oh, one more thing. Don't forget to put in your phone number. Just hit save business address. Now that your Shopify store is created, go back to the AI store builder, hit next, and just hit I have activated it. Now it's gonna ask you to link your Shopify store to the AI store builder. So go back to Shopify, just copy this URL up here, go back to the store builder, paste in the URL and hit save. And then you can hit next. This is where the AI adds the winning products to your store. Just hit activate Zendrop, and now you're gonna hit install again. And here you can just hit approve. Now that Zendrop is installed, go back to the AI store builder, hit next. Your dream store is just minutes away. You just have to hit next, go live, and the AI will actually go inside your store and build the store from scratch, importing all the products, adding the copywriting, adding the pricing, and even connecting the supplier. So when somebody places an order, you can actually ship it directly to your customers. Now the AI store builder is complete. All we have to hit is access Shopify and publish. So let's remove this password right here. Just hit remove password. And this is the store the first AI store builder gave us. Let's check it out. So at the top here, we have free worldwide shipping. We have a logo placement right here that we can just change after once we find out what the logo for our store is going to be. We have this banner that the AI created us from nose to tail. We got it all. We have 3 little sections right here: top quality products, worldwide shipping, and money back guarantee. We have a best sellers collection here with 5 different products that AI imported into our store. A few testimonials that you can just come in here to the left and change to your desire. So you can literally write anything in this review and it will appear inside your website. We have subscribed to our email. I mean, very basic stuff. Let's go inside the catalog and let's see what products it imported into our store. Let's check out this automatic tennis ball launcher inside our store. So at the top here, we still have the free worldwide shipping banner. We have this hot product, only 3 left. You can actually come here inside the urgency text and change it to however many you want to create urgency on the customers. So say we just want only 1 left, just like that. So the customer comes inside the website, they're gonna see only 1 left. They're gonna think, hey, it's either my opportunity right now or I'm not gonna be able to get this product. So it creates urgency, it increases your conversion rate, makes more people purchase from your store. Then you have the title of the product. You have this little review thing that you can actually change to however many you want. For example, let's put 2,593 reviews. Just hit save and it's gonna show exactly like that right over here. You have 2 different variants for the product. You have green, orange. You also have this size. I mean, it only comes in one size. It's one launcher and 3 balls. And one of the good things is you actually get a quantity selector, which is honestly something you usually have to pay with a Shopify app. I usually use catching bundles to create this, but this AI store builder gives you it for free. And mind you guys, you can change the prices later to match your product, but the more people buy, the lesser it's gonna cost them. So it's actually enabling you to make more money when somebody purchases a product, because instead of them purchasing only one, they might see a better price in purchasing 2, and you actually make more money that way because you were gonna get the sale either way. It doesn't matter if they purchase 1 or 2, you still pay the same amount to get that customer to your store. So selling more units is actually gonna turn you more profitable. Under the add to cart button, we have this order now and receive, and you can actually calculate how many days it's gonna take. So let's say we want some fast shipping. Let's put 3 and 4, for example. So order now and receive in 4 to 8 days max, and we can put the buffer day 1 day. So receive in 4 to 5 days, depending on how quick you can actually ship the products to your customer. We have 3 little reviews here under the add to cart that you can obviously change. And under that, we have frequently bought together, so you can actually add another product here that goes along with the tennis ball launcher, for example. The AI also comes with all these pre-built sections for your store, so all you have to do is go inside and add the copywriting for it. For example, you have like a title, description, and a few icons that you can change, and even add an image here to display your product. You have a comparison table that already comes pre-built that you can add the benefits and literally compare your brand against other competitors. It gives you guys more credibility. It gives your store / brand more credibility, and actually people will trust you more just by having this. You also get this horizontal ticker that basically just scrolls through, which you can add offers or like free shipping call outs depending on what you're running on your store. You also have a results section. So say your product is like a oil for your skin, you can have results like 93% felt their skin smoother, 94% of customers felt more confident using this product, for example. Just a few examples you can use, but this section is very, very crucial because you can't get this anywhere else on a free theme. You actually have to pay somebody to code this, or you have to actually go inside of Shopify and pay for an app, which I mean, if you keep downloading app on top of app on top of app, by the end of it, your store is 1, gonna be very slow. 2, it's also gonna cost you like $200 a month, which who wants to pay $200 a month for some apps on your Shopify store? Doesn't make no sense. At the bottom, you have some testimonials that you can obviously edit and customize to however you want to display about your product. And one last thing I want to show you about this AI store builder is inside the app, it installed ZenDrop. You can go inside my products, go inside store listing and sourcing, and these are all the products that are imported into your store. And the good thing about this, you can click on the product. You can see also here it says linked, and when you click on the product, you can see how much the product actually costs you. For example, the tennis ball launcher costs us $29.34, and we paid $34.89 because it's such a big product for shipping. So total $64.23. It also gives us the average shipping time 10 days, very, very fast for drop shipping. On our website, this product is listed for $200. So even if you got it for $64 and sold it for $200, you would still be able to make a very nice profit. The next AI tool on our list is called Ecom Express. In here, they say get your fully built Shopify store in 12 minutes. All you have to do is put in your email. Once again, just like the other AI store builder, you're gonna hit access, and here you're gonna put your name. You're gonna add your phone number. You're also going to create a password for the AI store builder, not Shopify. And then you can hit I have read and agreed to terms of use and hit access. The first step is to set your store color. For this example, let's do the same thing. Let's stick with orange. We can hit done. Now you choose some banners for your home page. We created 6 banners option for your home page. Choose 2 banners. We will add them to your store's home page. The AI gives us 6 options, and out of the 6, I like this free shipping option, and also get to know our discounts. Looks pretty clean with this guy. Like, yeah, I like it. You can hit done. Now you have to create an account on Shopify just like the other store builder. So just hit access Shopify, and you're gonna input your email, and you're gonna hit start free trial. This is gonna be the same exact step as the other AI store builder, because both AIs, you still need to create a Shopify account to use them. It's a process you can't bypass. So let me just do this really quick. Same thing, you just say I don't want help setting up, just like the previous AI store builder. And once you're done, you can go back to Ecom Express, and you can hit done. Now's the part where you connect your Shopify store. So to scroll all the way down, same exact thing, copy the URL, go back to the AI store builder, paste it in, and you can hit save. So now you have to configure the app in Shopify. So to scroll all the way down, you're gonna hit access Shopify plan screens. You're gonna hit allow custom app development, allow custom app development. You're gonna hit create an app. For the app name, just go back to the AI store builder, go all the way up and just copy this Ecom Express right here. Go back to Shopify, paste it in, hit create app. Now just hit configure admin API scopes, and you're just gonna go through this whole list and just check every single box in this list. It does take a little longer than the other AI store builder, but we still don't know what the outcome of this store is going to look like. So let me just do this really quickly. Just check every single box. Once you checked every single box, just hit save. So this is the part where you activate Shopify integration. Just scroll all the way down. You're gonna hit access Shopify app screen. Inside of here, just select the app you just created, and you're gonna go to API credentials, and you're gonna hit reveal token once. Just copy this token, go back to the AI store builder. Under token, just paste in the token and hit save. This is where you activate the free trial on Shopify, just like the other store builders. So just hit access Shopify plan screens. And here you're just gonna input your card information once again. Once you're done, just hit subscribe. When you subscribe, it's gonna ask you for a business address. So just make sure you add a business address and also your phone number, or else Shopify is not gonna let anybody view your store. It's only gonna be locked. So make sure you do this and just hit save business address. Once that's done, go back to the AI store builder. You're gonna hit check Shopify settings. And once that's done, just hit done. This AI store builder gives you an option to get a premium theme instead of the free AI store builder. It's $97, but for the sake of this video, we're just gonna go with the basic theme. This is where the AI actually goes inside your store and customizes it. So just hit customize my store. And this is where the AI adds the 20 winning products into the store. So just say add products to your store. And once that's done, just hit access Shopify to publish your store. You're gonna hit remove password. You're gonna hit remove password. You're gonna uncheck password protection right here, and you're gonna hit save, and your online store is open to everyone. So let's go over to Shopify Store that AI Store Builder built us. At the top here, we have up to 50% off for a limited time only. We have this little logo, My Store. Again, you have to still replace it with your own brand logo. We have the little banner created us with the free shipping, 3 collections, best offers, best sellers, and free shipping as well. Collections also show down here with a few products it imported into our store. We have this little timer offer of the day with the timer going down. We have this email list, which is the same as the other store builder. Looks kind of like the same. We have another banner here, get to know our discounts, and 4 icons with free shipping, guaranteed purchase, secure payment, and fast support. Also, this AI store builder configures your policies, so you don't have to do any of that. It already comes pre-configured. And it comes with little payment methods and some icons down here to give you more credibility. Very nice. Now let's go into the catalog. Let's see what products it imported into our store. We have a rotatable smart car holder, a abdominal massage belt, crystal U-shaped wine decanter. You get it. There's a bunch of products here the AI store builder imported. And let's check out this dog car seat cover, for example. So here we still have the banner, the same exact thing. We have a few product images that actually keep swiping automatically. We have the product name appear, price as well, very big, bold. I like it. This loading please wait actually tells the customer their location and how long it's going to take to get to their house. Right here it's not loading because we're inside a Shopify builder. If we were inside our Google browser per se, it would show where we're located and how long it would take. I honestly think this shipping calculator is better than the other AI store builder shipping calculator. We also have 2 options, black and gray. Add to cart button, buy now. Very minimalist, very clean. And under here you have product details with a bunch of copywriting for the product, with the features of the product, with the specifications, and what comes inside the package. Under here we have related products. You can customize what products you actually want to show, so it's not like a cute cat humidifier going along with a dog seat cover, because that makes no sense. You want your products to kind of match each other and be in the same niche. And scrolling down, we have the same 4 icons: free shipping, guaranteed purchase, secure payment, and fast support. And we also have the sticky add to cart button that appears once you start scrolling on the store. It looks nice because you can just hit buy now and the product will be added straight into your cart. So very, very clean. The choice is up to you guys to which store builder you want to use. The whole point of this video was to show you with full transparency what these AI store builders do, what's the difference between both of them, and which one is better for you guys. Of course, that choice of which one is better for you is a choice only you can make. I'm just here to show you what these AI store builders do. And before I end this video, I just want to leave you guys with one more AI tool that I found a couple of weeks ago and I've been using ever since. I use this AI on a daily basis to create all the videos I use for my TikTok ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, whatever you name it. This AI tool makes the videos for me. It's called Creatify AI. So it's free and it comes with 10 credits, which equals 2 videos. So you can make 2 videos for free with a new account. And if you want to go with the monthly plan, it's $33 and you get 240 videos a year. I usually pay like $100 to $200 a month because I make videos on a regular basis. You guys will probably not need to do that. So let's just go with the free version. Let's just hit get started, and you just have to put your email in, continue with email. They're gonna send you an email, and all you have to do is go inside and verify. So let me just do that really quickly. And they're gonna send you an email like this. Click here to log into Creatify. Once you click, you're gonna be right here in this page. Now all you have to hit is AI video ads. So hit create now, and here you can actually paste the product link from either Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, eBay, whatever kind of platform there is. You can just paste the product link here, and it's gonna create the ads for it. For example, let's try this automatic tennis ball launcher. Let's come here, let's view this store, let's go to catalog, let's click here automatic tennis ball launcher, and we're gonna copy this URL up here. Let's go back to Creatify, let's paste it in, let's analyze URL. Now Creatify did the product name, product description from the website. They got all the pictures for the product. If we have any promotional info, for example, if we're running 50% off on this product, we can check this here, and we can put the promo price here, and it's actually going to show inside the ads. But we're not going to do this for this example. Let's just click next, and here you're going to choose which platform you're going to use this video on. We're going to choose TikTok. Aspect ratio, we're going to keep 9:16, so it's vertical. Duration, let's keep it 15 seconds, should be fine. And target audience, we're gonna do pet owners, dog trainers. It actually gives us a few options. Tennis enthusiasts, because this product can be used for that too. Just hit next. Now this AI is going to create some scripts for your videos. You can use your own scripts with ChatGPT, or you can write it yourself. I usually like to read these and see what it wrote to see if I can go with them and if it sounds okay. So we have trending topics. Step up your game like a Grand Slam champion. Don't like that thing. Don't like that hook. Step up your game like a Grand Slam champion. Don't like that hook. Introducing the automatic tennis ball launcher designed for both tennis enthusiasts and pet lovers. This should be good. Brand story. Let's hit next. This is the part where you choose which character, which AI avatar you want speaking in your video. Since we're going for pet lovers, I kind of resonate that more with women and more with like a friendly vibe. So let's go with a very friendly looking women. See Angel, she looks very friendly. Like there's some green behind her. Let's see if we can find other ones. We have Sophie here. All these characters you can use, and we even have styled avatar, which if you pay for the plan, you can get these avatars with a little more like quality and a little better background for say, but the realistic avatars work just fine. So let's go with Angel. I like Angel. We're gonna hit next. Now the AI tool created a bunch of video ad variations that we can pick from. Mind you guys, whenever you watch these video variations of like a draft video you just tried to make, the lips of the person are not gonna be synced to the voice, but whenever you click render video and use your credits, then the lip sync is gonna be perfectly. You can barely tell it's AI. So let's see which one of these are nice. I'm not gonna play with audio. Let's see what that looks like. Shows a little product right there, caption, and then cuts to the woman with the product in the back. Another picture of like a dog, and fetch fun with launch. Looks nice. Let's see if we can find. I think this green screen effect is honestly the best one. And for example, we're just gonna hit render. And like I said, you need credits to render the video. Since the free account gives you 10 credits, each video should run about 5 credits only. So just hit render video, and it usually takes less than a minute to render. Okay, now that the video finished rendered, let's see what it looks like. Mind you, I went inside and removed the music just so we don't get copyrighted on this video. So let's just play this and see what it looks like. Oh, and one more thing, the Creatify watermark, you just say remove watermark whenever you save to your computer, and it will be removed. So let's play this and see what it looks like. Just focus on her lips and how like the video plays out. Don't mind the little watermark.
Introducing the automatic tennis ball launcher designed for both tennis enthusiasts and pet lovers. Crafted for seamless, uninterrupted play, it ensures consistent ball delivery to refine your skills or keep your dog active and entertained.
Perfect. Very clean ad, especially if you have no experience with making ads. This is 10 times better than what I was able to do when I was a complete beginner starting out. My ads looked way worse than this. And to think AI can create this whole ad only using a product link is insane to believe. What kind of world are we living in? I want to know which of you guys stayed to the end of this video. So if you're still watching, comment AI is taking over. And out of everyone that comments AI is taking over, I'll pick one of you guys to win a free one-on-one call with me where you can ask any questions. I'll help you with the Shopify store. I'll help you with any problems you might have. And it's just a fun way for us to connect. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And like always, my name is Leo, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.